When your skin looks like you made a lifetime of bad decisions, is a facial oil before makeup the answer? Today I am going to teach you all about facial oils underneath your makeup. Stick around. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people make when it comes to using a facial oil is they use too much or too little. And that's an easy trap to get caught in when you're using a traditional facial oil. But do I have a solution for you? I want to introduce you to water oil. And water oil is a facial oil and a serum all in one. So you pull double duty with this guy. So not only will you get the glow with water oil, you will get some skin-loving ingredients that you can wear under makeup. Now I'm going to show you how to use water oil before skin prep. Now for me, I've already put on my water elixir, and water elixir is just going to add some hydration to the skin. And remember, water oil is an emollient, it's a lipid. We're going to add lubrication to the skin. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to put one pump in your hand, or if you're a dry T-Rex like me, two. And you want to massage in together, and then you want to start in the center of the face and press in and work your face. So as you see, my skin is already starting to glow. If you're wearing an off-the-shoulder top like this, I also like to apply water oil there to give the skin a healthy glow. Now, another thing that you can do with water oil is apply with a brush. I like to apply with a brush when I have literally minutes to get ready. So now that I have my water oil on, I'm gonna go in with water balm to finish the rest of my skin prep. Then it's time to apply my makeup. Now when you wear water oil on the skin, it has a really beautiful, believable glow. Water oil is perfect for dry, irritated winter skin. It's also great for dry desert climates. Menopausal skin, water oil is going to be your best friend. Also, those of you that have skin or texture issues, water oil is going to help smooth out the appearance of those texture issues and reflect light beautifully in person. Now, water oil is also great when you want that believable glow, or you're not a big fan of wearing powder texture highlighters because it shows all the imperfection in your skin. Water oil is going to be your secret weapon. Fine lines and wrinkles? Water oil is a must for anyone over 40. Now, the other thing that I will tell you is water oil is great for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin also tends to be dry a lot of times, or dry skin tends to be sensitized. And with water oil, because it's fragrance free, you don't have to worry about the irritation. Now, I also use water oil for a combination of things because as a pro makeup artist, I like to pull double duty with a lot of my products. So I also use water oil to shear things out and to make oil stains on the skin. I do like to mix water oil with certain foundations, and I also like to use water oil to make a blush stain. Now, water oil is made with some of the most beautiful facial oils on the market. Things like Squalane oil, sea buckthorn oil, Japanese Camellia oil, argan oil, rice bran oil, avocado oil, jojoba seed oil, and soybean oil, also known as glycine soja oil. Now, glycine soja oil is full of antioxidants, which is great for your skin. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, Sonia, can oily skin use facial oils? Absolutely. Water oil is great for combination to oily skin tones. You really only need one pump. Now, if you would like to get your own bottle of water oil, go to soniaroselli.com and pick up one today. So now that you know how to use water oil under makeup, what did you think? Leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Water oil, you make a gal feel like a teenager. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are going to try water oil on your next makeup application, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear how you get on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.